Hi guys, welcome to CodeCraft. So today we are going to learn about how to create a new design file in Figma. So coming straight to it, you see the option just right to the top left, the home icon. Just click on that and then click on design file. And as Figma is a little heavy software, just wait a few seconds. It just depends on how many RAM you have on your laptop. I have only 8 GB RAM, so sometimes it does take a bit of time. Now you see the file is open. The next thing you do is that you just go to you just select the frame from here, then create a new frame. You just the procedure to make a frame is I would tell you is that you just click on the left mouse button after selecting frame, and then just drag and then drop your left left mouse button, and then that way you will have a frame. The other way you make a frame is that, see, you just select the frame and then you select from any of these ones. You can see, select the iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 13 Mini, iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 8 Plus, Android Small, and anything like that. For example, yeah, here's the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Select that, and then the frame will automatically take the dimensions of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. You see, its width is 414 pixels and the height is 890 pixels. So that's how you get a design file and start working on the frame. In the next video, I will tell you how to start designing on the frame. So until then, bye bye. Take care.